Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Today, our topic is circle. What is circle? A circle is a plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from its center. There are four major parts in a circle. First, center, as in figure first. This is center denoted by O. Second is radius, as shown in figure 2. Radius is equal to OA. OA is equal to R. R means radius. OA equal to R means radius. Third, diameter, as in figure 3. Diameter is C to B. C to B or B to C. This line is called diameter, denoted by D. This is 1 R, this is 2 R, as D equal to 2 R. Diameter equal to 2 radius or 2 R. Fourth, circumference, as in figure 4. D, E, F, G, again D. This whole boundary is called circumference of the circle, which is denoted by D, E, F, G, D equal to C. C for circumference. The ratio between diameter and circumference is called pi. This is the sign of pi. Its value is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. 3.14. Pi equal to circumference upon diameter equal to C upon D, and circumference or C equal to pi D. In elements of the circle, third is the diameter of the circle. What is diameter? The diameter of the circle is the distance between 2 points on the circumference along a straight line that passes through the center. It is denoted by small d, and it is equal to twice the radius of the circle. D is equal to 2r. This is diameter and this is radius. This is 2 points A and B, and the line is crossing along the center. Fourth, radius. The distance between the center and a point on the circumference is called radius. From center to the circumference or to the boundary of the circle is called radius. Radius is denoted by small r, and it is half of the diameter. This is diameter, and half of the diameter is called radius. R equal to D upon 2. OC is the radius of the given circle. In elements of the circle, the fifth is semicircle. What is semicircle? Any diameter divide the circle into two equal parts is called semicircle. A diameter of a circle which is divided the circle into two equal parts, this one and this one, equal parts. This is 2 parts, these are equal. This is called semicircle, and this is also called semicircle. A semicircle is one of a circle formed when a circle is divided by the diameter. 6. What is chord? A line segment that joins the end points of an arc is called a chord. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The line segments AB, and CD are the chords of the given circle. In the element of circle, the seventh is arc. Any part of the circumference or perimeter of a circle is known as an arc of the circle. As A to B, point A, point B, this is called an arc of the circle, and it is denoted by AB arc. Now there are two types of arc. One is minor arc and the other is major arc. What is minor arc? When a circle is divided into unequal parts by a chord, the arc that forms the smaller part is called the minor arc. The arc CD is the minor arc of the given circle. CD is the minor arc of this circle. And major arc, when a circle is divided into two unequal parts by a chord, the arc that forms the larger part is called the major arc. The arc EFG is the major arc of the given circle. In elements of the circle, the 10th is segment. What is segment? A segment of a circle is the area enclosed between an arc and the corresponding chord. An arc and the corresponding chord is called segment. This area is called segment. Now, segment has two parts. One is major segment and the other is minor segment. What is minor segment? When a circle is divided into two parts by a chord, the smaller segment formed is called the minor segment. The region between chord CF and the arc CDF is called minor segment. This area is called minor segment. And what is major segment? When a circle is divided into two parts by a chord, the larger segment formed is called the major segment. The region between chord EH and EGH and the arc EGH is the major segment of the given circle. Look at the question. The circumference of a circle is 430 centimeter. Calculate the diameter of the circle. Diameter is unknown. Circumference is already given, 430 centimeter. Circumference C equal to 430 centimeter. Diameter equal to D unknown. Pi equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. As I have already discussed in my previous video about the circumference and diameter and radius. Now we know that pi equal to C upon D. This is formula, and D equal to C upon pi. C value 430 centimeter and pi value 22 upon 7. We can write 430 into 7 upon 22 centimeter. This is equal to 3010 upon 22. 3010 upon 22. This is equal to 136.81. Diameter equal to 136.81 centimeter. This is the diameter of this circle. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.